Right now, let's try to increase the number of parameters. Now you can see the parameters can be used like this, and now let's increase the parameters. So I need few parameters like 2 parameters, 3 parameters. Likewise, I just want to increase the parameters. Therefore, I'm using another function. So you can define any number of functions, right? So you can define any number of functions in a single file. Hello, can you hear me? Hello. Right. So you can define any number of. So let's define our. Yes. Hello. Is it clear now?
So you're lagging, sir?
Still lagging? Oh, that is it okay?
Oh, okay.
Now a bit okay, but the screen went.
Right.
Okay.
Let's add more parameters. So let me write another function. You can write any number of functions in a single file. So let's use stars. The function name is stars. Okay, the function name is stars. And I'm going to print stars. Print stars. Okay, the first, I'm going to introduce one parameter here, num, and I'm going to print number of stars here. So this is very simple function. So let me run the function, run the file first. Then you can run the function stars. I can say I need 3 stars. Ooh, stars, sorry, misspelled. Stars. I can say I need 3 stars. Stars, what has happened? Oof, again, STAR. Oh, TS, stars. So let's run this again. STARTS. STARS stars. Okay, now I can see 3 stars. So if I say stars, 5 stars, stars 50 stars. So likewise, any defined number of stars will be printed. So very simple function. So I just want to print several rounds. I need to print these 5 rounds for an example. I can say for K or for I or for J in range number of rounds. So then I'm telling print stars. Okay, rounds. So you can manually mention like rounds, let's say rounds, 5 rounds. I need J number of stars. So now let's run. Okay, let's call the same thing stars. Five. I can see stars 5. Here's the result. Stars 10. Still same. Why? Stars 20 still same. Why is that? Can you tell why is that? I'm changing the number, but still I'm getting the same result. Why? What's the reason?
The same means you want it to come repeat.
No, I just want to change
So
that.
because in the code it says round only 5 rounds. 5 rounds.
Yeah, it's manually said. Yeah? Round. I can say yes, round equal num. You identified it correctly. I can say round equal num. Then only our input will be considered. right? Then only our input will be considered. So now let's run this. Now I'm telling stars 10. Okay, now we can say 10 rounds. 1, 2, 3,
Nice.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But with the zeroth round, the zeroth one also, including zeroth, it's 10. So if I want to omit 0, I can say num plus 1. Or I can say, without saying num plus 1, I can say j is from 1 to round plus 1. That is also okay, no? 1 to round plus 1 to 11. So if I give 10, 1 to 11. So internal code, you can do anything, right? So here users don't want that. Now we can see 1 to 10 because zeroth step is omitted now because I asked to start from 1. Now 1 to 10. If I say stars 5, you can see. So if I say stars 50, okay, it's going like this. Right? So likewise, it's adding stars. You can give any number, right? So now it has one parameter. So I just want to change another parameter. I just want any symbol to add. මෙතන ඕනම symbol එකක් දාන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕන. මෙතන symbol. So when you put symbol here, I can insert any kind of symbol. Right? Now 2 parameters. See how it's going to run. Now if I am asked stars, so if I say I need 3, then I have to give the symbol. Symbol is, let's say, asterisk. Then this is exactly same as the previous one. If I tell 10 asterisks, you can see exactly same results. But if I say 10 hashes, you can see hashes. If I say 10 USD signs, dollar signs, okay, now you can see $10 signs. If I say 10 something, right, anything, you can tell less than mark, greater than mark, you can include that and you can see. Or you can even include like this. So anything can be done using this now because you can change the symbol. So understood how to increase the parameters. If you increase the parameter, you have to use that parameter inside the code. So here it doesn't matter. You have to give the parameter as expected, right? So expected is string parameter. So what happens if you give a number? If I give like 3 here, what will happen? I give a number. Expected string, I gave a number. Now what will happen? You should know that as well. එකක් හිතන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕන. මම නම්බර් එකක් දුන්නොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? දැන් මෙතන දෙනවා ඉල්ලන්නේ symbol එකක් දුන්නොත් symbol එක වැඩි වෙලා එනවා. The symbol will be multiplied and come. What will happen if I give a number? The number will be multiplied. So number will be multiplied means you will get 3, 6. So something like this. Understood? 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, up to 3 into 10. Because if I give a number, number will be multiplied. If I give a string, string will be multiplied. Because the way that we have used in the coding will be applied. If I want 5 times table, I can tell, okay, 10, 5. So if I say, okay, I need 12 times or 13 times 5, then it will go up to 30. If I say I need 12 times table up to 20, so it's generating that numbers, but not stars. If I say something like this, so it will multiply the string and generate that. Okay, so now we can use 2 parameters. Right, now we can use 2 parameters. Can you try? Just give a try to this. Try means actually you have to, don't copy. So try to make it innovative like this. Maybe try to create a progress bar. Right? Try to create a progress bar, command line progress bar. So that means it's not going this way. You have to go this way, like progress by and MA pattern. So try to show a progress bar using this. Oh, you can try this one and you can innovatively try for progress bar. So if you can try this one, this is like you get 1 marks. So if you can generate a progress bar, you will get 100 marks.
Should that strp should it be there for this to work? The string p.
Where?
Third line after hello.
STR, which STR?
From on the top when you
This
go
one?
from yeah.
This is not related to this function, no?
So then when you run, won't both get jumbled?
Sorry? Both won't
So when
run.
you run,
So if you ask to
both
run, okay, if you ask to say hello, it will,
then yeah, okay, it will come differently then.
yeah, it will independent. Right? If you ask say hello, let's say 5 times, that will also run. Yeah. Not 5, so this one, right? Should be say hello 5. It's like edited, no? Say hello 5 because the parameter will be added here, right? That's right. Say hello, just use space and you can see. Say hello. That function will also run. That is independent, and the stars function will also run. That is again independent. So you don't need these lines to run this code. So you want this code only. But I wrote both in the same file.
Okay, sir.
So simply get the idea. So if you print this vertically downward, so it's not progress bar. But if you run this the horizontal way, so something like this. If you just print one. So let's forget about this and let's define another function. Def, and this is PB progress bar, something like this. And you can give the maybe you can give the percentage. You can give the percentage, or you can give just, you can without this also you can try. Just think innovatively. I have not done this, but I'm also trying to do this. So trying to do this will give a result, right? For an example, if you try for K or for something G in range, let's give a loop range. Let's give 100 since progress bar is 100% when it is completed. So then you can print something. Okay, let's print as an equal mark and let's end it with nothing. End with nothing. So simply this is a loop now, nothing else. But now you can see when you run this is not progress bar, right? When you run this, PB is the function with no parameters. You can see it's going like this. Right? But that is not actual progress bar. So in the progress bar, you should see so the percentage and fill in like thing. Right? That means you have to first show this, maybe first show something like this. Okay, 1%, 2%, likewise. You can first show print spaces, and spaces, I'm telling this G number of spaces
So what's pb?
is the function name.
Okay.
So still you didn't understand that. Means you have not really read that. So say hello is the function name. Stars is the function name. So PB is the
No,
function.
like when you type pb in the uh, run file, it will show, right?
Yeah, you have to call by the function name. That's all.
Okay.
So end with nothing, and again also the same thing. So then, so see here what's happening, and you just put now. So its number of spaces are high. So likewise, it's something different. So likewise, the accidental things can also create some. Okay, this is what I'm getting up to 100. Okay, you can see. So these are accidents, but it can also create drawings, no? So this is accident, right? You can see it's randomly because here number of spaces and then, but so how to, so have you seen the progress bar CLI? So I'll give you the idea. You can just try because I just like you to do, you to have these accidents, right? These are wonderful accidents because from these you can learn,
Major accidents.
right? Yes. You can learn. This is how it's worked, like command line progress bar. So don't just search this like Python and just copy and paste it. So there are, right? So so something like this here, you can see. So you should see, you should show 100%, then it's filling. First show 100%, then it's
So
filling.
how to get the code?
Sorry?
The code of it.
Code of it, that's attempt. So just give a try first.
Oh,
Right?
okay.
Just give a try first, right? So here, something like this. Like you have the 100%, the brackets show in 100%, then fill in area. This here also it's using equal signs. Make it the saman lakuna use karla here. So bracket shows 100%.
So the code is down.
This code
The
is there,
code is
but
down.
that is not Python, right?
On Python?
It's not Python. It's C sharp, right? So it's C sharp or VB. Yes, it seems C sharp or C.
So this is that like that Arduino code, void loop.
Which?
That code below was like that
No, no, no. All that C, C plus plus, all these are similar, right?
void
So this
loop.
is basically like C or C plus plus code, but here C plus plus basically. So it's those codes are same. C sharp, C plus plus. So looks like same. Right? So anyway, what they have done, like show in this as 100%, then fill in one by one by one by one by one. So what you have to do is you have to try to give the same output using Python. So okay to search the code in internet, but so before that try to actually have some accidents before doing that, because that will give wonderful results sometime. So therefore try to give different things and see. So what I just wanted to do is not this actually. I just wanted to print like 100 spaces there, and these 100 spaces. Then after printing these 100 spaces, I just wanted to fill that. So first print 100 spaces, initiating with this bracket, square bracket, then plus 100 spaces, and ending again with square brackets. So then you can fill this. So something like I just wanted to try something like this, but what has happened actually, I placed the code in the wrong place.
Circle
P.
and equals.
Now you can see, right?
So go to the same. Oh,
Sorry.
no.
Now you can see this is 100 spaces, but this is the fill in. But fill in should come to the same line, right? That's what you have to try. So this can be done in the next line, like print. You can go to the next line by just empty print, and then you can try like this. But may wage hada hada yan isarata. So here now you can see the spaces and fill in is below. I just want to fill the same line. I can see it's filled up to 100. So here this space is there and it's filling up to 100. And you have to show the percentage too, right? Show the percentage also. That means you can end with the percentage if you want. You can end with the, or after that, after this, you can just print the percentage. But you have to always change the percentage, right? Write the percentage, erase it, and rewrite again. So likewise, you can show the percentage there. So please give a try. Right? I have given closer answer, but not the exact answer. So, but just give a try to apply that and get a result like this. Okay, with that, I'm going to stop for today. So next day, please study those, practice those, and come, right? Otherwise, it's like your time is a waste. Please practice it.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, I will reverse.
Sir.
Okay, have a nice day. Bye.
Okay, thank you.